channel. I'm Samyati Jamurthy. I'm traveling with my parents today to Japan and we are flying Thai Airways International for the first time. Our flight takeoff time is 1:30 a.m. and it's about 9 p.m. now and we've just arrived. The counter is yet to open, so we are all waiting. The pillow and a blanket. Some kind of nice cake. We have reached Thailand. We are now at the Swarnabhumi airport. We reached earlier than expected. In fact, 30 to 35 minutes ahead of the scheduled landing time. We didn't have to go through the immigration. We just had to get the security check done again, and that was a breeze that hardly took some 10 minutes. The walk between the arrival gate and this section with the departure gates, it took us about after the security check, that is, it took us about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. It's quite a long walk, so please bear that in mind. If you're trying to book connecting flights through this airport, if the transit time is anything less than 2 hours, 1 hour 55 minutes or 2 hours, please rethink.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can.
We boarded the flight. It's a beautiful sunny morning. While coming from Chennai to Bangkok, our seat row was 55, and like you would have noticed in the clip that I showed before from that flight, the leg space was quite decent. But this seat, this row is 49, and it's quite cramped. Like there's a considerable difference in the leg space. So if you're flying, if you're going to fly Thai Airways and you're looking at seat options, 49 is a row that you can avoid. Keep it as your last option.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
Oh wow.